Do you want to update or download the latest version of Windows 10 or 11 ISO file for installation? Here is how to do that legally from Microsoft's official website. Open your web browser and search Windows 10 or 11 download depending on the version you want to download and install. There will be a link to Microsoft's official website. As seen on my screen, it appears to be the first link on the page. There are three options below for installing or creating Windows 11 media. Check out each one to determine the best option for you. Before installing, please refer to the PC Health Check app to confirm your device meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11 and check the Windows release information status for known issues that may affect your device. You may want to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant, which is the best option for installing Windows 11 on the device you're currently using, or you can create Windows 11 installation media. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, use this option to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. You may also want to download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices. This option is for users that want to create a bootable installation media USB flash drive, DVD, or create a virtual machine ISO file to install Windows 11. This download is a multi-edition ISO which uses your product key to unlock the correct edition. There are more informations on the website to help and guide you choose the right option based on your PC's specifications and the requirements of the version you want to download and install. If you want to download the image ISO file, you have to select the edition, which I have Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Select and click on the Download Now button. You will also need to choose the product language when you install Windows. To see what language you're currently using, go to Time and Language in PC Settings or Region in Control Panel. Click Confirm to continue. If you would like to verify the data integrity and authenticity of your download, you can follow the steps below. The link is valid for 24 hours after time of creation. Click the 32 or 64-bit download button when you're done verifying to download Windows 11 in whatever language you selected. You can do same for downloading Windows 10. On the Windows 10 page, I have the option to either update or download the ISO file. There's an update option because the current version of Windows on my PC is Windows 10, so I choose to update my Windows. After clicking and downloading, it will check for latest updates and install. After everything, you will see the message "Thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. You can also download the image ISO file as was shown on the Windows 11 page. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.